Stampers. Today we are making a beautiful day card using the butterfly from Beautiful Day stamp set. It may or may not be retired. It's been a while since I've looked at the catalog to update my stuff, but come along with me as I make birthday cards for my kids' school. Hi, it's Eileen Judd. I'm your Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. For more product details, please head over on to Stampingmama.com or view the description down below on the YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit subscribe and like. Now let's get started. So what I did was I stamped these and then I colored them with alcohol pens, and I'll show you a clip of that in a second. And then I use a Brother Scan and Cut. I need to change the razor because it didn't cut very well to cut this out. That's why it's so nice and neat. Now I'm just going to glue the base down. I'm using retired DSP, so sorry about that. It's very pretty. I'm sure you can find something comparable to it in your guys' stashes. I'm doing the whole use what you have thing. And if you hear noises in the background, it's most likely my children throwing stuff at the door. So the card base is Bermuda Bay color. I don't remember if that's a current color or not. They changed around the colors and a little out of sorts at the moment. But I will sure to put something comparable, similar to this, in my product list. And don't forget to shop the celebration sale to get items, 50 free items every time you spend $50 or $100 at my store, Stampingmama.stampinup.net. This is Blackberry Bliss base. I have pre-cut and scored these. Use the Simply scoreboard. It makes perfect scores. And where did I put the DSP? Again, these are retired DSPs. I have so much DSP that I'm just trying to use it up. These, I'm in the use what you have. Stage of life. Bases. Had to mess with my camera a little bit. Telling from a rough day. Yesterday my radiator blew in my car, and I had my toddler with me, and I forgot my diaper bag, and I forgot my phone, but luckily I was able to borrow a phone. But learn from me, don't forget your phone. And also learned that if you have white smoke coming out of your car, it's most likely steam and your car's not on fire, so don't panic. And if your car is on fire, then call your insurance, because they're supposed to cover, if your car's on fire, they'll cover it. So if the engine gets fired, the insurance will cover it, if you have good insurance. Isn't this pretty DSP? I'm sorry, it's retired. I'm sorry. It's still beautiful. My craft room is a mess because I've been decluttering my house. So I'm just trying to make do with the space I have. I'm trying to get these cards done for the teachers at my school. What we do is we get $5 gift cards from Starbucks, and we give actually the teachers and the staff at the school, so even the principal and janitors and whatever, they get gift cards too. Getting a birthday card always cheers up everyone. Apparently I had extra. Okay, now to apply the butterflies on the butterflies, and since I'm not mailing them, I don't have to worry about using extra dimensionals because chances are they won't get smushed. Base on all the cards. Well, there you have it. Aren't these beautiful? Okay, so using gorgeous grape ink and a retired happy birthday sentiment, I'm just going to make the cards that will go inside the card using Whisper White cardstock, and I'm just doing assembly line style. Now on to gluing the insides of the cards. Let's go. Have it. 9 cards made for kids' school. I hope this inspires you to make cards for your kids' teachers and family and friends. Remember to check out the details in the description box below, or head to my website stampingmama.com. Don't forget to shop my website as well. Until next time, happy crafting. Bye!